Like many people living here in South Florida, going to the beach, of course, is a way of life. And for many, rubbing sunblock on the body is also. However, not all sunscreens have the same effectiveness. One South Florida dermatologist tells us when purchasing a good sunblock, we need to look at more than just the SPF number.
The reality is that's a number that just measures protection against UVB, which is how red somebody would become. What you need to focus on is how much physical blocker is in the sunscreen. That's either zinc or titanium. So the key when purchasing a sunscreen is actually to flip it over to the back and see how much, if any, zinc or titanium is in the product.
Well, Dr. Weiss says the rub-on sunscreens are better than the spray type. The reason being is the sprays usually do not have zinc or titanium. However, he says they are still good when you need to cover skin on a thinning patch of hair or close to the hairline. Now, when it comes to darker skin versus lighter skin people, he says that neither is more immune from the sun's harmful rays.
When you think about why somebody would wear sunscreen, it's one, to protect from cancerous changes, melanoma specifically, and to prevent photoaging. So we realize that the #1 cause of wrinkling is going to be sun exposure. So if that's your concern, be it African descent or Irish descent, you're both equally at risk.
Well, to learn more about keeping your skin safe from the sun, head to our website, cbs12.com /links.
I use the SPF 50, actually.
That's good, you know, yes. But you got to keep reapplying because as soon as you get in the water here in Florida, it keeps on, it rubs right off.
And I use the spray stuff. It's easier.
I did too. I'm going to have to.
You got to use a
turn it. I know. I'm going to have to go home and turn all the bottles over and check them all out. I didn't realize there was a difference between spray and rub-on. The spray is more convenient, less messy.
You're right, Tara. We learned something new today.
And sunscreen is something everybody needs to load up.